call it out for me?
19.
Uh-huh.
Angle A is 58, side B is 29, and side A.
All right. So let's see. Looks like, yeah, angle C would be in between those two. So it's not side angle side. Okay. It's definitely side side angle. Okay. And it's the acute one, right? Acute angle. Okay. So now, if the side opposite is bigger, it's one triangle. If the side opposite is not bigger, I got to make that comparison. Okay. So let's see. All right. You want to put B at the top? All right. So it's going to put 29 down there and 26 right here. This would have to be C, and this would have to be little c. Okay, so is my side there opposite bigger? No. Okay, so we got to make our comparison. Let's see. All right. How is 26 compared to 29 times the sine of 58 degrees? So let's see. What's the 29 times sine 58? All right, 24.6. Oh, no, not again. Greater than? Dang, why did y'all have to ask about this one? Two triangles, right? All right, here we go. Let's draw the second one. And I understand, you know, the two triangle problems are definitely the hardest ones, okay? No doubt about it. A prime, B prime, C prime. And this one's 26, 29, little c prime. All right. Now, so let's figure out an angle that we can find, or a side, which I don't think we could find a side, but let's see. So we've got A to work with. All right, which ratio could I find something with? The B ratio. You could find angle B. Couldn't find anything with C because you don't know either one of them. All right, so let's set it up. All right, we'll do 26 over sine of 58. All right, so this one over this one, and then now this one over this one. 29 over sine of B. Okay, let me cross multiply. So I'll get 29 times sine of 58 equals 26 times sine of B. Okay, now let's solve for the B. So I'm going to divide by 26. Okay, now let's throw this in. All right, so 29 times sine 58 divided by 26. Okay, now that's going to be the sine of B. So we got to do the inverse. All right, so B is about 71.1 degrees. Okay, so now immediately we're going to drop everything we're doing and we're going to find angle B prime. Okay, I got B. Now I can switch over to my other triangle and find B prime by just taking that and subtracting 180. Okay, so 180, or subtracting from 180. All right, so you should get that one's 100.9 degrees. Nope, I'm sorry, 108.9 degrees.
How do you know that?
Because once you find the first angle in the two triangles case, you take that angle and you subtract it from 180 and it gives you B prime. Okay. All right. Now, in both triangles, we can find our angle C's, can't we? So we've got to have this kind of automatic. If I have two angles in a triangle, you can find the third one very easily. All right. Let's find this one since I got that in my calculator real quick. All right. So I got that one. All right. Plus 58. All right. And let's subtract that from 180. So that's going to give me about 13.1 degrees. All right, let's find this one. So do 58 plus 71.1, way up there somewhere. There he is. All right, and subtract that from 180. So about 50.9 degrees. All right. Now, let's see what's
Angles for both of them.
right. And now we got to find little c and little c prime. Okay. So we can just add the third ratio now that we've got that third angle. Okay. So we'll add here c over the sine of 50.9. Since I got the angle, now I can find that side. All right, so here again, let's just cross multiply with the one that was given. Okay, so we'll do 26 times sine of 50.9 equals c times sine of 58. Okay, now we can just divide by sine 58 on both sides. All right, let me punch all this in now. So 26 times sine 50.9 divided by sine 58. Notice I don't have to take an inverse sine or anything because I'm finding the side. All right, so it's 23.8. All right, let's find little c prime now. All right, so in this one, we'll probably want to use this ratio again. All right, 26 over sine of 58 equals what there? Sine of 13.1. Okay, all right, let's cross multiply. So we get c prime times sine of 58 degrees equals 26 times the sine of 13.1 degrees. So we'll divide both sides by sine of 58 now. Okay, so let's see. 26 times sine of, I was just supposed to push 13.1. Let's see, where's that 13.1 at? There he is. All right, and then divided by sine 58. So C prime is about 6.9.